Dear students, really money is very important, and as you heard the song that पैसा बोलता है, it means money is telling its story. There is also a chapter in your book, and the chapter is the story of a coin. Today we shall read the story of a coin. Actually, when man was born, that time he was living in the forest. That time our life was very difficult. It was not possible for human being to live safe. They lived in caves or on trees. It was very difficult for them to spend their life. They eat fruits, they ate meat of animals. Always there was danger because there were fierce wild animals in the forest. It was a difficult work to get protection, and for protection they started living in groups. Actually, thinking men were very intelligent, so they gathered experience and they learned the art of agriculture. When they learned the art of agriculture, they started living at a place and they built some huts. In this way, village came into existence, and later on village developed as town. Actually, when the number of men was less, that time their need was also less. But when people developed, their knowledge increased, and when their knowledge increased, their needs also increased. When the needs increased, it was not possible for anyone to fulfill all his needs. So their time came to exchange things from one another. That time barter system came in existence. Barter system is a system in which we exchange things from each other. In the beginning the cow was very important, so cow was used as a medium of exchange. But there was a lot of difficulty in this. So in place of cow, people started using paddy for the exchange. But it was also not so good. Later on, the coin came in existence, and coin became the most popular medium of exchange. When you see the coin, that time you will find it is made of metal. To make a coin, different types of metals are mixed. But in ancient time, kings used to make coins of gold, after that silver, copper, aluminium. These things were used to make coins. There is also a proof when leather was also used for making coins. There is a process by which coin is made. For making coin, metal is needed, and metal is taken out from the mines. As you know, in metal many unwanted materials are present. So it is needed to purify, and to purify metals it is sent to furnace, and when the metal purifies, that time it is sent to mint. In mint different types of metals are mixed, and it is passed through different machines. When this process happens, that time the coin gets its glittering shape, and after that beautiful designs are put on the both faces of the coin to make it beautiful. From the mint, the coin is sent to Reserve Bank. Reserve Bank means Reserve Bank of India. From the Reserve Bank of India, the coin goes in the hand of men. If you see the journey of coins, that time you will find that it goes from one hand to another hand. it has a tendency of walking or wandering. It goes in the hand of all types of people, whether he is a rich man or a poor man. People keep coins at different places. Coins are kept in pocket, purse, wallet, and even in iron safe. As I have told you that coin has a tendency of wandering from one place to another place, but some people are very miser in this world. And a miser person does not want that coin should go away from his hand. So when it comes in the hand of miser people, that time the coin has to stay there for a long time. Some people are also very fond of collecting coins. They collect coins, but general coins are not collected. Coins which have special features, those coins are collected. Time to time, coins are issued with different features, and whenever these types of coins are issued, that time they collect the coins. They have coins of ancient time, it means olden days to modern days, and coin collectors also collect coins from other countries. When you see that everything fades away with the time, so with the passing of time, the coin also fades away, it loses its beauty, and that time people hesitate to take the coin. That time this coin is again sent to Reserve Bank and a new coin is issued in place of that one. The life of a coin is very long, it can last hundreds of years. It has also beauty, it has no effect of water, fire or other things. A coin has two types of values, that is face value and market value. If a coin is made of gold, that time its market value is more. But there is a demerit in coin, that it has weight, and due to weight it is very difficult to carry coin from one place to another place. So in place of coin, people prefer paper notes. Actually paper notes has only face value, and we have to take a lot of care of paper note. But nowadays it is very easy to take paper notes during journey. So in journey people prefer paper notes. At present plastic money has come and it has become very popular for shopping. Plastic money means just it is a card. It is a card made of plastic, and you have to take that card with you. You can buy rail ticket, air ticket, other things. Even if you go to malls, that time you can purchase anything with plastic money. And plastic money is also called ATM card, debit card, credit card. So nowadays it has become the most popular means of shopping. There is one thing, as you heard in the song, people are mad after coins. People want to get coins. They want to get more and more coins. And when they get more, they want more. It means their need is not satisfied. Their thirst for money is not satisfied. Their greed is not satisfied. And some people don't want to do good work, but they want to get respect in the society with the help of coin. They think if I have coin, the society will respect me. But it is not right. People want to earn coin by hook or by crook. They do good or bad work. Even people fight with their own blood. Means they fight with their brother, they fight with their sister, they fight with their father for the coin. When the coin sees this behavior of people, it laughs. People should not run after coin. We must have contentment. Until we have contentment, we will do like this. So the coin is saying at the last that you should not fight for the coin. You should live with your brothers and sisters with love. It is right. Coin is something. Money is something. But money is not everything. It is right that money makes our life easy. It is a need of time. But it does not mean that money is all in all. So we must have contentment, we must have satisfaction, and one thing is said, साईं इतना दीजिए जामे कुटुम समाए मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं साधु न भूखा जाए. So we must have only so much coin, so much money which are necessary, which are needed. Thank you. Have a nice day.